Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel How To. If you are unable to find File Manager on your mobile screen, then this video is for you. What you have to do, go to the settings. Let me show. Go to settings and then in search bar, search home screen. Home screen. Now go to the bottom. You can see manage home screen shortcuts. So you have to click on this and here you can see all your home screen shortcuts. Here you can see the second number file manager which is disabled. So you have to enable it. So I am just clicking this and you can see it is showing this is added successfully on your mobile screen. So let me confirm. I will go to my mobile screen and check. Yes, it is on the screen. I can find it. So now you can add missing file manager on your mobile screen. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos.